In today's video, we're going to be teaching you guys how you can get paid anywhere from $15 to $1,500 just to click. This strategy is a completely fresh and brand new one that can help you make some pretty decent and real cash. Our method is not just new, it's also 100% free, and we know you guys absolutely love that. It is also available everywhere across the globe, so like always, no matter where you guys are located, you can join in and participate and earn this much money. Now let's go through a checklist of the things that you're gonna have to prepare so that you can start making money right away. First, you're gonna need either a laptop, a computer, a tablet, or a mobile phone. And if you have any of those, then check that out of the list. Next thing you're going to need is a stable internet connection. And as long as you have that as well, then you can check that out of the list too. And of course, make sure that you know how to click. And those are basically the things that you're going to need to really get you started. So make sure that you have that checklist completed. And if it is completed, then you're pretty much good to go. As always, we're going to be walking you through today's whole method, plus we're going to be sharing a bonus tool that's going to do all of the work for you, so you won't have to do any. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now open up your default browser and then type in entireweb.com, and that should take you to here. Now this website is a search engine just like Google, but the difference between the two and what makes this search engine even better than Google is that EntireWeb actually pays you for every click. And you're going to see what we mean in a sec. To know more about getting paid with this website, we want you to click on these three lines on the upper right corner and then look for affiliate and then click on that, and then this is what you should see next. Earn up to 20 cents for every click. Get paid for every visitor you refer to our free search engine submission service. Get paid for every click. We'll pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. There is a high conversion rate. You'll be promoting a free search engine submission service with a very high conversion rate. Everyone can join. Anywhere, anyone with any type of site can join this program and start earning money within minutes. And it's easy to start. Within minutes from sign up, you'll be up and running and have started to earn money from your traffic. Welcome to EntireWeb's affiliate program. This affiliate program is free to join for anyone, and you'll get paid for every click you generate to our free search engine submission service. So that's basically an introduction on this website and its affiliate program, and it's obviously still lacking information, but we're gonna get right into that. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now, how does it work? A visitor clicks on your affiliate banner or link on your site or in an email. We'll pay you both for the first initial click, but also if the visitor goes through the process. The program is powered by Post Affiliate Pro, the leading affiliate tracking software. Post Affiliate Pro makes sure that all referrals and sales are tracked correctly, and the process is fully automatic. All your clicks/visitors will be properly tracked. It even works if cookies are disabled in the browser of the customer. The customer can visit us months after your referral and the click will still be tracked. Now what do I need? A will to earn money. That's it. You don't even need a website, although having your own website helps. You can promote our free search engine submission service via search engines, posting in internet forums, tweets, posting links on Facebook, pay-per-click ads, etc. All you need to do is send a visitor to our site via your affiliate link and we will pay you for every click. It's as easy as that. How much will I earn? The entire web free search engine submission is 100% free service, meaning you often see very high conversion rates and we will pay you up to 20 cents per click. How and when will I be paid? We pay our affiliates by PayPal. All earnings will be paid on the end of each month for the previous month. All payments are in US dollars. We do not support other payment methods and the minimum payout value is $50. You must enter your PayPal email address in your affiliate account settings in the payout options. Otherwise, we cannot pay you. So that's everything important on this website, and now it's time to sign up and get to the real money making part. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So click on create account at the very top of this webpage, and then that's going to take you to this page where you're going to fill up all of the details being asked of you. So make sure that you fill that up completely and correctly. And once you're all signed up, you can log into your own account, and this is what it should look like. If you click on campaigns on the left side, then you're obviously going to see all of your campaigns. And when you click on home, you're then going to see your dashboard again and all of the stats that you may want to be kept up to date on. Obviously, we have $0 because we just created this account, but in the long run, and as soon as you start promoting and clicking and advertising, you're going to see this quickly increase, which is the greatest part about it. Now you're gonna get your affiliate link, and once you have your affiliate link, it's time to figure out where we're going to be posting this to get the most traffic, the most clicks, so that we can make the most money. So it's always a good decision to share it on all social media platforms and to your family and friends so that they can show their support. But the best place for the best results would be on slideshare.com. So open it up, and this is the website. And now let's set that aside. Now we want you to open up Google Docs and open up a new blank document. Then you're going to want to create something like this for yourself. You have the option to copy what we already have, pause this video and copy it and type it down, or you can make a completely brand new script just like something that we're showing you right now, something that's going to draw people in, and make sure that your affiliate link is posted or else it's useless, because that's the whole point of this. As soon as the document is ready, you can click on the file button right here, and then you're gonna scroll down to download, and then you're gonna select PDF, and that's gonna download straight into your computer. And now when you have that PDF ready, you're gonna open up slideshare.com again, and you're gonna upload that file just like how we're doing it. And your PDF is gonna reach 1 million people, millions and millions of people, and you're gonna get an insane amount of clicks and make up to $1,500 or even more on a daily basis. So make sure you try out this method, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.